Hi, today I'm for the HONOR X7A and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from PowerKey on this device. So first we should open the Settings application and then scroll down to the accessibility features. Here click to Shortcuts and Gestures, click to Google Assistant section, and just to activate Google Assistant by press and hold to the power key button. You should use this switcher. Just click on the switcher to activate this option, and now we should hold power button for 1 second, and now we can see that the Google Assistant is activated. Just to turn it off, just click on this switcher once again, and we can see that the Google Assistant is turned off and the power off menu is activated. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.